Just
and
in case we
I'm
didn't say
doing
that.
better, which we're saying in every video. Not as good as I should be, but almost there.
Okay, and is that, it opens, right? Okay, I was like, if you want to take that. And again, thank you, BeautyFix, that you made your filling like this instead of the way it was before.
Pretty model, and all the stuff she's going to be getting.
Okay.
Quick view.
First thing I'm pulling out is Slip Pure Silk Midi Scrunchie. I've got a few of these, but I do like scrunchies, so that's good.
It says tie your hair stylishly with a silk scrunchie that's gentle on strands.
That's very good. And then I have Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix Anti-Aging Wrinkle Smoothing Night Cream.
It says alleviate stressed skin with a nightly moisturizer that firms and smooths.
And then
I like Elemis.
I have Lancer Active Rejuvenation Serum with Triple Dermal Complex.
And it says revitalize skin with this powerful anti-aging serum.
And then
Not much makeup in this one, huh?
it's
all
like a
skincare.
clay thing, right? Or a charcoal. Clarity Down and Dirty, or Down Plus Dirty Detoxifying Charcoal Micro Exfoliant.
It says it deep cleans and refines pores.
Yeah.
Which I feel like a lot of exfoliants do
I
that.
am holding that straight or not. And then I have our and Company, right?
I think
I always
so.
feel like I'm saying that wrong.
Barn cover. Yeah.
Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist.
That's weird. That's a mist and not like a can aerosol. It says get rid of hair and scalp buildup without the powdery residue. Interesting.
And then I think it's the last thing, but I'll double check.
It should
No,
be.
yeah. Seems like it is. That's a lot of packaging in there, but that's good. CEO Sunday Riley's. Is it like vitamin C rich hydration cream?
And it says it's infused with not only vitamin C, but also lime pearl extract.
I know I had it on
two.
two.
What that is.
It had like, two different like languages on it, and so I was like, let me
which
read
one
the
is
English
it?
one. Anyway, that was
Good
it.
items,
Yeah.
lots of skincare if you like skincare. If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one we will post down below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.